I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Selzy. Here, give the meaningful integration name as you want. To get the Selzy API key, click here. Now click Show Full and enter your password. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Please choose an action from the drop-down list, subscribe or unsubscribe, based on your preference. Then select the list from the drop-down list that you have already created on your Selzy account. Then select a tag, or you can add multiple tags to the contact. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Selzy. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Also, check your Selzy account if the data is going to Selzy list or not. Here is the data that came into Selzy through the Bit Integrations. Thanks for watching.